This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm doing a training coaching video for everybody. A lot of times we get a question is like, are you guys traders or are you investors? I'm an investor. I want to try to own stocks for as long as possible. But I manage my stocks. Why? Because we buy growth stocks, and many of them will be great for a while, but then they will eventually fade in price. So you can say, well, just own it for a while. You're going to let a major gain turn into a loss? No, and people say, I'll just hang on to it. We don't know the future. When we accept the fact that we don't know the future, it helps us live in the now and manage accordingly. So here we go. Let's do this right here. Here's Beyond Meat. This was one from earlier this year. This is where we bought it. When we bought this, it had sales up 215% before we bought it. And it made a great run, a really good run. It was a triple. By the way, I'm not bragging. That's not the point of this. The point is the importance of managing the investment. By the way, every stock that we buy, we started out as a trade because I will tell you this, Ed Seykota said it best, and I met the man and talked with him one-on-one. If you can't take a loss, a small loss, pretty soon you'll take the mother of all losses. And if you don't know who he is, Google him, Seykota. So we're sitting here looking at Beyond, and we picked it up here. We sold into strength. It was awesome. Sold the last shares up in here for over a triple. And that's not bragging, okay? That's not the point. The point is managing the investment. You could say, up here, it's a great investment. I'm just going to own it. I'm going to put it away. You ever heard that? You ever said that? I'm just going to put it away. So we do. And you just stay with it. It's like, I own it here. I own it down, under $80. I'm in great shape. I'm just going to let it work. And again, it had sales up 215%. So you just stay with it. We sold our last shares right here, for over a double. Right there. Look at the volume pickup on that bar, right there. And you say, no, I'm not going to I'll just hang on to it. And it does this. And then it does this. And then it does that. And then it does this. And then it does that. See this spot right here? I'm going to shrink the chart for you. Here's where we bought it. Here's where it is right now. How would you feel buying it here, having a triple, and watch it come all the way back down to your price? That is why we manage our trades. This entire move, did I ever look at any 5-minute charts? Nope. I hardly ever looked at 10-minute charts. I have stocks that I let them work. I don't even have them on my front page. You just let them work for you. So, are you a trader or an investor? I'm an investor, but everything I buy, I manage it, especially right when I buy it until I have some cushion. Then I can give it some room to work. It's like, right here, many people would have panicked out. We didn't. Why? It's still above the rising 20, still above the, just let it go. Let it go. But we have rules. Starts to lose the 20-day. Interesting. Starts to lose the 50-day. On volume. Take it, make close to a triple instead of, on some of these shares up here, over a double on these shares, instead of taking it all the way back down to nothing. Nothing. That's why we manage our stocks. And it works. Trends pay better than anything else. I wanted to share that with you. So to answer the question, every stock we buy starts as a trade. But I will tell you this. Do we ever look at 5-minute charts when we're doing it? No. Do we day trade? No. I'm not a day trader. No. In fact, if I was, you and I wouldn't be talking because I'd be dead. I'm not going to get wrapped up in that game. Now, if that's what you do, I'm not criticizing you. Go for it. But bigger money for us is made in trends. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Manage your investments. Manage them. Don't let them manage you. And I thank you.